Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into the March GlossyBox for my GlossyBox unboxing for the month. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I am posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me without me rambling for too long, stay tuned. So as you guys know, GlossyBox is a monthly subscription box. I will put a link in the description box down below to get your first box for $16. We're going to jump into the whole variation here, which is predominantly skincare today, which is why I am barefaced. I did want to give you guys a little disclaimer. I will link a video up here I did trying out my discontinued favorites after I found out Becca was canceled, and I used a foundation that is way expired. Like, it's been discontinued for over 2 years, so I've clearly had it for longer than that. And I am, as a result, breaking out all over the place, which is not ideal. So I did just want to preface this whole thing with, please throw out your expired makeup because you will break out if you try to use it. The theme card for the month is Pretty Pleasures. Really cute, very springy. Let's jump into the items in my box. All right, so first, from Soon Skincare, this is the Golden Eye 24 Karat Hydrogel Eye Patches. 24 karat gold skincare, yes please. These incredible gel eye patches are a golden ticket to preventing collagen loss. They increase elasticity and blood flow to the skin, reducing premature aging to make you feel like a queen. Post-cleanse, gently place patches on the under eye area for 15 to 20 minutes. Sit back and relax. This retails for $6 and the big box is 30 treatments for $54. Now, I've actually received quite a bit of these in the past. Soon Skincare has been very generous to me. So I have used these before. I do like them, but I'm in the middle of filming and would like to continue talking to you guys about the stuff in the box. This is one of those products that I like to use before an event. Not that we're going to events anytime soon, but like before weddings or any type of big event, I would put them on before I did my makeup just to make sure that my under eyes looked extra smooth and plump and I didn't have any cracks, creases, or puffiness. The next item out of the box comes from Banilla Co. This is a deluxe mini of the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. This sherbet-like balm will remove even tough waterproof makeup without stripping or drying your skin. Tri-Peel Acid Blend AHA, BHA, and LHA helps to remove dead skin cells, clear pores, and gently exfoliates. This retails for $3. Now, I did use this. It did come in the GlossyBox Advent Calendar, and I believe I said in that video when I unboxed it, I ended up liking it, not enough to repurchase it. So this is definitely going to get used. I'm going to use it because I find that these balms really help to remove my makeup well. But when I put it up against things like the Pharmacy Green Clean or even the Clinique Makeup Melter, it's all the same, but I do like the sense of those ones a little bit more. So good that it's in the box. It's something I will definitely get use out of, but not as good as, say, the Pharmacy one that I have been loving for years. The next item is actually one that I have used several times and have gone through full containers of. This is the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. This is the grapefruit edition for intense hydration for dry and parched skin, filled with nourishing ingredients including shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. This fresh citrus-scented moisturizer will leave your skin feeling comfortable, hydrated after just one use. The mini size retails for $5. Apply to the face or body daily. I love First Aid Beauty because it is great for sensitive skin. It is deeply hydrating, and even though it says it's for dry skin, I find that when I use it on my combo oily skin, I don't get greasy or shiny. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. If your skin needs hydration, whether you are dry, oily, combo, or anything, you'll definitely get use out of it. Next up from ESPA, I don't know if it's Espa or ESPA, this is the deluxe mini size of the Bergamot and Jasmine No Rinse Hand Cleanser. That's not what I have in my box. Okay, so I got a different item. This, I'm going to pull up on my phone the item I actually got because it's supposed to be a hand cleanser, and I got the Geranium and Petitgrain Hand Balm. So this is a $25 value. It is 15 euros, but 25 USD. A deeply nourishing balm ideal for working on your hands. Shea butter, jojoba, sweet almond oil work to help hydrate, nourish, and revive tired or dry skin, while geranium and essential oils leave your hand fragranced and delicately soft. Now, the mini that they said they were including was a $10 retail value with the full size of $28. This is a $25 retail value, so definitely a great item to get in a box like this, so I'm already happy. The next item comes from Caudalie. This is the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. Both effective and natural, this best-selling skin tone evening serum works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. Patented key ingredient is 62 times more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. The Deluxe Mini is a $26 value. The full-size retails for $79. Now, even though this is a third of an ounce, it looks tiny, you can get easily a month to 2 months out of here if you're using the right amount. You don't want to go in with too much. What I love about Caudalie is their brand story. When you make wine, the amount of nutrients and really good ingredients in the like grape mush that gets mashed together is so like concentrated and great for your skin. They take that and make it into skincare. I have used this before and I actually do really enjoy it. It is one of those things that I have never found it worth the $79 sticker price to ever want to go and buy. But I remember years ago when there was the little trial sizes for Sephora points. I cashed in like 10 of them. I got 1,000 points worth of mini bottles. It lasted me for like 6 months and I loved how it made my skin feel. I was glowy, I was radiant, but I wasn't shiny. You know, there's a big difference between oily, greasy, and glowy, radiant. I want my skin to look healthy. Like you see the light reflects off my skin. I do look a little glowy and youthful, but like there's no oil on my fingers, there's no grease. This is not greasy, this is just radiant. So there's a big distinction. So even if you have oily skin, you still want radiance to your skin, you just want to control your oils. And the last item comes from Cab Cosmetics. This is the Sugar and Spice Lip Gloss. This Dusty Rose Beige Nude Lip Gloss provides a beautiful shine that complements any skin tone. Non-stick formula sweet vanilla cupcake scent will give you a long-lasting gloss. Swipe directly onto your lips for a classic gloss or over your favorite lipstick for extra dimension. Retails for $18. I am not going to use this because I have no makeup on my face, but I have actually used this brand's lip gloss before. It came in a BoxyCharm, I want to say 6 or 8 months ago. It was a while. It might even be longer than that. It was a gloss and liner duo. The formula was really nice. I liked the way it went on. It was comfortable, but I do think I will go on a limb and say I liked it over a liner or over a lipstick. I didn't really love it on its own. I felt like the pigmentation was soft and there, but if I'm going for like a pigmented gloss, I'm going to stick for like my Rare Beauty one that I love or any of the colors from Beauty For Real because these glosses are just so much more luscious than the Cab one is. But what I will say is this one does layer over liners and lipsticks absolutely beautifully. And that is the finished unboxing. When I look at everything here and thinking about a $16 value, based on the things that I already know that I love, definitely worth the $16 price point this month. I know I've said in my last Look Fantastic unboxing that that wasn't really a box that I think I got my money's worth out of. This was sent to me in PR, so I didn't pay for it, but they're not sponsoring my review. I do, if I have an issue with a box, I will say it, and if I love a box, I will say it. And based on the boxes I've gotten recently, I will say this is one of the best boxes of current times. There's not a single item in here that I'm like, yeah, I'm going to throw that in a giveaway because I have zero interest in it. The only thing that I'm a little like, take it or leave it is the balm, just because I didn't love the first one I used by this brand. However, what I will say is I still used it. I liked it enough to use it again. And with the amount of makeup I wear, like, it takes me a while to go through these because unless I'm filming nowadays, I don't really put on makeup anymore because I'm not going anywhere. So let me know your thoughts on this box down below. Leave me all your details. Do you think that it is worth it? Do you think it's not? Is this a hit or a miss for you? Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.